With our variable files prepared, the first step in the deployment process is to set the correct Azure subscription context. We'll use the Azure CLI command shown here and provide our subscription ID. This ensures that Terraform will create the resources in the intended subscription. Next, we run Terraform init. This command is crucial as it initializes the working directory. It downloads the necessary provider plugins and sets up the backend for storing the state of our infrastructure. This only needs to be run once per session or when providers change. Now we'll execute Terraform apply to create the resources. You'll notice Terraform is prompting for the VM's admin password. This is a critical security practice. Sensitive data like passwords should not be stored in plain text files. By not defining it in our variables or override files, Terraform interactively asks for it. After entering the password, Terraform presents a plan of all the resources it will create. We'll type yes to approve the plan and begin the deployment. Terraform is now provisioning the infrastructure in Azure as defined in our configuration files. The deployment is now complete. The terminal displays the outputs we defined, such as the resource group name and the public IP of our new controller VM. We can verify this by navigating to the virtual machine service in the Azure portal, where we can see our new PAM on Cloud Controller running.